Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series, how to reduce downtime and effort in aircraft checks. This video is part 2. If you don't prepare the aircraft maintenance program well, you will have losses of time. So if you prepare it well, you reduce the downtime. Okay, this is my channel, and this is my photo, and this is the 3 items. I hope to carry out them, like in LinkedIn and in the YouTube channel. Subscribe and the bell ring. Here's the aircraft maintenance program. Take care when you preparing the aircraft maintenance program, which get it from the maintenance planning data documents. Take care from these notes. For example, if I take it Airbus 320 family, take care here, family. The first point, the series, this is serious point here, applicability. The aircraft type, you will see all A318, A319, A320, A321. So, if all, no problem, but take care for the aircraft type, your aircraft type. Select, make filter to pick out all the tasks for your type. The second point here, the aircraft configuration. Sorry for here, it is T instead of I. Passenger, VIP, ETOPS. Take care to check your aircraft in this configuration. Here, applicability continuous. The wings, modified wings or retro wings. The modifications and service bulletin. Take care from pre and post. Pre and post modification. The modifications means includes some service bulletin, not one, but more than one. Okay, this is the modification. Post, take care if your aircraft post or pre. Where you can find it, how to check that pre-modification or pre-service bulletin, post or pre. Go to the aircraft inspection report. The inspection report give you this data or this information. The other points here, additional fuel center tank. If your aircraft has aircraft center tank or no. If installed, take care for this. Continue. Also, check the APU. What APU configuration in your aircraft? Here, Honeywell, Epic, Honeywell here. This is other type for Honeywell. For the engines, here, take care, CFM V2500, Pratt & Whitney, LEAP. Check which engine on your aircraft. The last point is notes. Take care from the notes. You will see notes in preparation or description. Take care from install intervals here. Maybe some intervals in the notes. Take care from that. Also, combine tasks. Maybe to comply task together. So take care from the notes. I think this is some or little short notes when you're preparing your maintenance program. Take care. Please read well the introduction of the maintenance planning data document. Again, read the introduction of this manual maintenance planning data document for your aircraft. Okay? I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.